Hello everyone, start off by tracing out a circular shape. Add 4 lines on all ends of it and then add diagonal lines to it as well on the sides. Now make it look like there are flower petals, connect each end to each end as such. Once you are done with this, make a check shape to the center of your flower as such. Once you are done with this, add little polka dots to the center of each of these shapes that you've created. Add a little stem to it as well. Add the leaf to each of these stems. Next, draw these U shapes and then draw a little V shape to each of these as a little crown. This will be the tulips. After this, draw the connection of each of these flowers in order to draw the rest of the flower. These will be chrysanthemums. Afterwards, draw the second flower as well. And after you are done with this, connect the top to it, draw little shapes to it as well. Add multiple layers as this is what defines this flower. After this, add the leaves to the side as well as the stem and then color it in as you please. Start off by drawing this oval triangular face and then afterwards draw 2 more shapes beside it. At the bottom, add 2 little leaves to it. We will be drawing a tulip at the center of the leaf as well and then draw on the stem and connect it. Next, start off by drawing this heart shape. In the middle of it, add twirls to it. Connect each of these twirls and then add a base to it that is a V-shaped or U-shaped base. After this, add the stem to it, add little thorns and then add leaves to the side as well. You have made yourself a rose. Once you are done with this, color it in a bright red. Next, draw this U shape and then add a V to the center of it. Now add layers to the top of it and we will be making a rose. Draw on the stem and then add the leaves on either side. After this, add the center of it, add the leaves section of it and then color it in. Now we'll be making this fire truck. Start off by taking a coin and then trace out a circular shape in order to make the wheels. Draw on the base of this bus and then draw on the front by adding 3 vertical lines as such. Now continue on to add the windows and everything else. Now draw a slanting line at the back as such. Add 2 layers to it as this will be the ladder. Add multiple lines to this ladder as such. Now once you are done with this, add these lines to the side as well. This will be a fire truck. Now add a straight line that goes through the side as well. At the top you may add the siren and then add the headlights in the front. Once you are done with all of this, color it in as you please. Next, take a little stencil and make circular shapes out of it in order to make the wheel. Add the rest of the figure to it as well. This will be a small little bus as such. Add the windows once you're done with it and then draw the frame of the rest of the body. We are making an ambulance out of this bus. Add the siren at the top and then add the cross in the center. Add the wheels as well. Start off by drawing 2 wheels and then do this using any sort of circular shape such as any coin. Then draw a cross shape in the middle and then connect the rest of the body to it using this as the base. Add the headlamps and then add the windows as well. Add the details to the wheel as well as the back. Next, start off by drawing an ovular shape and then add a circle to the center of this ovular shape. Add another one right behind it and then add a curve to the front as such. At the back, add these wings-like shapes. Next, add a fan to it. Once you have added your fan, connect them to the back. After this, add the top as well and then you will be drawing a submarine. So make out the lookout portion of it. Add little dots to symbolize the mechanical portions of it and then make little connector dots as well. Carve it in as you please. Next, we will draw a car. Now, in order to do so, start off by drawing a straight line first. Then make a cross out of it. Add the base line to it and then add on your wheels. Draw circular shapes for the wheels as such. Now, once you are done with this, connect the rest of the car to it. Draw a curved top to it as such. Now, connect the other 2 sides of it as well and make your car out of this. Once you are done with this, add a little steering wheel to the front of it. This will complete the look. Don't forget to add your little headlights and the tail lamps as well in order to make the detailing. After this, color in your car as you please. Thank you for watching.